This is Redmi Note 10 Pro Max Indian version. On the other hand, this is Poco M2 Pro global version. Redmi Note 10 Pro Max come with 108 megapixel camera. On the other hand, Poco X2 Pro come with 64 megapixel camera. Both phones come with side fingerprint scanner. And today in this video, I like to share you guys Redmi Note 10 Pro Max and Poco X2 compare and speed test. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Welcome back. Redmi Note 10 Pro Max comes with Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. On the other hand, Poco X2 Pro comes with IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. Both phones running Android 11 and MIUI 12, and both phones is 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM variant. Redmi Note 10 Pro Max comes with Snapdragon 732G. On the other hand, Poco X2 Pro comes with Snapdragon 730G. Both phones protected by Gorilla Glass 5. Snapdragon 730G and Snapdragon 732G is not a big difference. So let's start the speed test. overall, Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is slightly based for the Poco X2 Pro, but Redmi Note 10 Pro Max not 120Hz refresh rate properly. Poco X2 Pro have a properly 120Hz refresh rate. But Redmi Note 10 Pro Max display is far better than IPS LCD display Poco X2. Okay, this is all about Redmi Note 10 Pro Max and Poco X2 speed test and compare. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.